What them people are the man?
Whoa! Evening, daddy. How going?
Where's your mother?
On her way, man. Give her some time.
If you go somewhere, you know.
Yeah, man. It's kind of late for real still.
Babes, it's so long, man.
Yeah, man. Mom, so take it so long.
Babes.
The doctor said that I'm positive.
Positive? What do you mean positive?
Me no know. The doctor said I'm positive.
Which test you do, babes?
Me do all of the tests them.
Which all of the tests them? What you talking
The
about?
doctor said that I'm positive.
So let me see the paper now.
That me I tell you, so the doctor said I'm positive. If I am
Positive what?
you are positive too.
Wait.
What you say? Junior, go outside. Step outside for me.
Alright.
No, let me see the paper them.
You not listening what I'm telling you.
Let me see the paper them now.
But me tell
Me no
you
want you
the
tell me
doctor
nothing.
said
Me
that I'm
no you tell me.
positive.
Me?
You're not listening to me.
You positive, me not positive.
You are positive
Take
too.
out
If the doctor said that I am
Let me
positive.
see the paper.
If the doctor said that I am positive, that means
You
you're
know-
automatically
Babes,
positive.
babes, don't get me upset today now. You always do them something here. What babes? It's a pregnancy test.
No. Yes, the doctor said I'm positive.
So let me see you're pregnant.
Yes, so that me I tell you I'm positive.
Babes, what if you're pregnant?
Yes, so that, but it's positive. That's why I say I'm positive.
Junior.
Yes, I'm ready.
Your mother is pregnant.
Oh, wow, really? So I'm getting a brother?
She behave like a something else. Actually, a good news.
Yeah.
But it's positive. I didn't say it in any way. Positive is positive. I just said I'm
You're a
positive.
positive idiot. Why if you're pregnant? Don't laugh. Why if you're pregnant?
Sorry, but
You're grounded.
Leave the boy. No, let's go.